How to withdraw your money from KuCoin to bank account. So if you want to actually withdraw your money from KuCoin to your bank account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch a KuCoin application, and this is the kind of interface that you will see. Now what you want to do is, now if you want to withdraw this to your bank account, first, if you have got any sort of cryptocurrency, you have to sell that for fiat currency. So you can't directly withdraw crypto. You have to sell that crypto for cash, which in this case is known as fiat currency. Here you'll find that option, and once you've done that and you sell your certain crypto, you can simply come here to the assets tab and you'll find the option to withdraw any sort of fiat currency that you might have. And this is the way to withdraw your money from KuCoin to your bank account. I hope that this video helped you understand it. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.